For today's edition of this protein pack challenge that I'm doing, I've got this Ranch Tuna Pack from Walmart. Starkist also has this flavor. This is just Walmart's take on it. Let's go ahead and get this guy opened. The ranch smell is almost non-existent. Let's see a taste test. To say that the ranch flavor is extremely minimal is an understatement. It's almost non-existent, honestly, on this. I was expecting tuna with a good flavor of like Hidden Valley, and I'm not getting that on this. But with this, I decided I'm going to go ahead and make pinwheels. So I've got my flour tortilla down here. Go ahead and get this out. I'm actually kind of boo-boo-lipped on the amount of ranch flavoring. If you tell me something's ranch, I want to taste the ranch. I've got some shredded lettuce I'm going to add. And then some mozz. Go ahead and get those sides. And that center. Pretty much like rolling a burrito. Nice and tight. One of the ways to get these to stick at the end is to wet your finger and rub it on that edge, and then just give it a good little push. And just cut it up into thin little pieces, little bite sizes. There we have our little pinwheels. And there we have it, a nice little snack. Now for the taste test on this guy. My plan definitely came together on this one. But again, that ranch flavor is not strong. If you're looking for more ideas of what you can do with these packs, I created an entire freebie for you of every brand and every flavor. It's linked down in the description. If you want more of this series, check this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none, and I'll see you in the next one.